this video, we are going to learn how anyone can deploy a AI-powered chatbot on their website without learning to code. This chatbot will help you get more customers, engage with more customers, keep the customers happy, and overall help you run a really good business. For this, you don't need to learn to code. You don't need to learn anything about technology, and you can use an AI-powered chatbot to make things happen for your business. So stay tuned. Alrighty. Now, what is a chatbot? I won't go into the description and keep on talking about that. But to keep it simple, a chatbot is any automated conversational interface that allows any business or any institution to have a conversation with either their internal customers or external customers and help them resolve their questions or problems or get more business or understand more about the products, right? For our sake, let's keep it that simple. Alrighty, so let's look at some examples. One of the best examples that probably I suggest everyone to have a look at is look at Intercom's website. One of the best players, I will say, in the chatbot as a service business. Really great interface, great product. They're probably competitors of few of the products that I have built and I've deployed somewhere. But a great product. It's always good to recognize the competition when you feel they are really good. So just if you go to the landing pages, intercom.com, and I do go in and I click on this small interface, which essentially tells you that you can chat with something. It already kind of gives you some small conversational nudges. How can I help you? Chat with a product expert, learn more about Intercom. I'm a customer and need support. You can go in and click here and the whole conversational interface basically pops in here. And it says how I can help you. And you can literally not even just type there, you can literally select some stuff and it will start a conversation. So I will say learn more, I'm chat with a product expert. Yeah, we just need a little more info so we can get to talk to the right product expert. And then it asks me ready to continue, gives me two options. Okay, one of the things that I want everyone to understand, one thing is it's an automated conversation interface. There's no human in there. It's completely automated and it's doing a very smart thing. It's giving you options rather than keeping it open-ended as most of the large language model-based chatbots do. So it knows exactly what answers to expect and accordingly it can direct you towards the next conversational thread, right? So I will say here, no, I want to learn more about Intercom first. Okay, so it kind of gives me probably a pre-written text that they had in the backend, and then so on and so forth. And then again, it gives me lots of different other options that I can select from. So that's it. I won't go into the details of this chatbot. You can probably go in and explore it. I'll probably list it down below in the description for you to have a look at. But you got the idea, right? What is actually a chatbot? It could be anything. Right now, for Intercom's sake, it is where it's actually interacting with an external customer or external person who has come on the website. Few organizations might decide to have a chatbot to help internal employees or internal customers resolve their problems. Could be tech issues, business issues, HR issues, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's about it. With that, let's move towards a demo of deploying a chatbot on a live website. For this, we are going to use FermiAI. Again, full disclosure here, this is a website that has been built by me, a SaaS that majorly supports small businesses and helps them build and deploy chatbots for various applications. The automated one that exists on the website helps you deploy website on your web or a chatbot on your website in few clicks. We also have services where it allows you to deploy it on a much larger scale where we help the organization out. But yeah, enough for the plug. We'll use this and we'll deploy a small chatbot on a website that we will create from scratch. And let's see how that holds on. Alrighty, let's get started. So first step, what we will do is we'll first of all create a mock website of a business, which is online and depends upon online traffic for the business. And thinking of it, what we'll probably go for is an SEO agency. An SEO agency which has a website which probably needs a chatbot so that the customers who come in can have a conversation, talk to it about its services, talk to it about different price points, and so on and so forth, right? So that's the model that we are going to solve for. To do that, create a website. As I said, we'll probably have lots of inbuilt knowledge built in. We'll use Cursor to build that website. Again, a really great tool, allows you to build and deploy web apps in no time. We leverage that. You go to the website, cursor.com, click on download for Mac. It says download for Mac because I'm on Mac. On Windows, you will have a similar button for Windows, and you will have a code editor on which you can write code. Okay, I already have it on my computer, so I won't install it as of now, but I can show you how it is. Alrighty. So once you go in that and you open it, you will have a code editor similar to this, right? And similar to this, you go to the file, you open a folder. It will ask you to make a folder. The folder that I created was small business website. Within this, create a file called as index.html, right? index.html, within which we can use the code editor, and you click on it, you will have the code editor open up. And after that, do a Command T on Mac. You will have the corresponding button for Windows, and ask anything as it says, right? So what I will write is, we need a simple HTML website for a SEO agency which is based out of Melbourne, Australia. The page should list down services and also suggests to read few blog articles. Also, as an FAQ. Alright, I've kind of, and we press enter. And what we see is it's started writing everything, and it gives us a simple page, and we do an apply. Continue. Okay, now it's, as you see, it's generating, and it has just copied everything onto this index.html file. I will click on accept, and here we have a simple file. Go in here, click on terminal, click on new terminal. It's taking a bit of time because I'm running this after ages. What happened? Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. We see index. Just click open index.html. Oh, surprisingly, it has not given us anything. Why is it that? We not do a command S shift. Oh, here we go. Oh, alrighty. I had not saved it. So yeah, a very simple SEO page or a page for an SEO agency. It says, welcome to our SEO agency, our services, read our blog, SEO strategy, top 10, whatever. So ideally, normally you will have a much better looking page, but for the sake of simplicity and to showcase a demo, I think this should be all right. Now we have it. Now the idea is to have a chatbot somewhere on the right side corner, which will answer lots of questions that come to this agency, right? That's the thought that we are going with. Now, going back to FermiAI, you have our chat for every website. We see that there are a bunch of things here, and go and click on try for free. Alrighty. So once you logged into FermiAI, you will have an interface, something similar to this. So it will have different tabs on the left hand side. What I want everyone to do is, first of all, we need to go into the settings. Okay, and this would kind of give you a very, very clean interface, and you can kind of decide multiple things. Like, for example, we can change the name of the bot as to SEO AI. Okay, you can probably change the color if you want, make it green, or this is probably what I will choose for. How can we help you today? I won't change it. Placeholder for the message box, not changing anything there. Save, takes to the next one. You can kind of then choose whether you want to ask a customer for their reason for contact before they can proceed. I'll keep it ticked because I want to ask customer why are they contacting before proceeding. Okay, ask customer their email before they proceed. Always a good idea. It allows you to capture a customer potential lead or a customer who it is so that you can further follow up for multiple reasons. I'll do that. I click on save. Okay. As of now, I won't click on this, use AI agent for chat deployment. We'll come to that later. But as of now, we'll just click on save here. Oh, alrighty. So what it gives me is a small, simple script, right? It says, so your chatbot is ready. Um, it's not a completely AI powered chatbot, but it's ready. Okay, so what you just need to do is you just need to click on copy. It's got copied. Go back to your code. So as I mentioned, you will probably have the code somewhere. In this, uh, every website or every application that's a web app will have a head section. Okay, if you don't know about it, just ask your developer or someone who has helped build your website, and they will exactly know about it. If not, I'm pretty sure you can do it yourself. Just go to the head section, and before this, where the head section closes, you just need to paste the script and save. Okay, now what we do is we now go back and we'll refresh it. Oh, alrighty. So as we have refreshed it, you see there is a small bot that has appeared here asking you, hi there, need any help? I'm here to assist you. Click on it. An interface pops up, and this will kind of give you multiple things. Like, for example, let's assume that someone actually came to your website, they clicked on it, and they say, okay, I need some sales information. Okay, if we continue, please enter your email so that we don't lose you. And I mention, let's say s@gmail.com. Click on submit. Thanks for your email. Someone will get in touch soon, either here or on your email. All right. So as of now, this is the level of automation we have. Stay tuned as we will make it completely AI automated, and there will be an AI responding to the questions and helping multiple stuff. Now let's go back to this and let's go back to your inbox. And you see, as you see, the conversation that we simulated on the website has been captured in this inbox. And you get the corresponding email. You can go back and, let's say, have that chat, and you have the email captured, follow up with the customer. And all this has been done very, very fast without you having to write a complete chatbot from scratch. Alrighty. So now that we have the chatbot and we saw how it interacts with the customers on the SEO website, demo SEO website that we created. Second thing is now we bring in the AI automation into it. To do this, so an AI chatbot actually needs access to the knowledge base of an organization. It could be anything. It could be your internal documents. It could be your website or anything. Now, for our demo SEO agency, although we have some content, I thought it would be a better idea if we used something that has a bit more real. So what I will use is one of my agencies that I run. It's called AlgoX Lab. Okay, and yeah, it has certain amount of content in there. You see, it already has FermiAI chatbot in it. So what I will do is, for the sake of understanding this better, if we go to FermiAI chat, we go to knowledge base, because right now we don't have anything in the knowledge base. We go click on add new. We put this in there. We click on start, right? So it will take some time. Okay, so knowledge base has been updated. It extracted everything. We go to knowledge base. Okay, here we go. So what happened is, once we enter the URL, It went in, it crawled the website, it got all the content in there, stripped it into different small knowledge chunks, and has captured stuff here. Now, once we have this ready, we have the knowledge base, we go into the AI agents and we click on build an agent. Alrighty, now name of the agent, SEO, SEO guy. Okay, let's say that agent specialization, acquire new customers. What will the agent do? Will help customers navigate the knowledge about the company. Alrighty, so it will be great to put in some more details in here depending upon how you might want your chatbot to behave, and then post here, select the knowledge base. So what I will do is I will select schedule your complimentary AI session, string set as, in fact, everything. Let's select everything. All right, so it selected everything and we click on save. Okay, the agent created successfully. Now if you want to test an agent, SEO guy. Okay, so once you have saved the agent, you can actually test the agent. And you click on send. So how can I assist you today? Okay, let's ask the question. Can you tell me a bit about your services? If you see HelloWorks Lab, we empower organization to integrate AI into the company, learn more here. Okay, so it seems to be working. Now let's deploy this AI chatbot into our SEO web app that we created. Cool. So what we'll do is it's quite simple. Go back into settings. So we already created this bot. Just keep on clicking on save unless until you want to change any aspect of the UI. Save. You just need to tick this. Use AI agent for chat deployment, and then you can select SEO guy. Now remember, FermiAI allows you to actually make multiple AI agents. So you can have multiple AI agents, multiple bots that you can deploy at multiple web pages, multiple sites, and so on and so forth. But right now we're just doing it for one web page, and you click on save. Okay, now you copy it again just for the sake of simplicity. We go back and we replace the script and we save it. Cool. Now we go back into this and we just refresh the page. Okay, so we already have it here. Okay, we already have the conversation happening here, and then just say hi. Here we go. So okay, I think you probably are not able to see it properly. Let me just move stuff out of the way. Okay, so here you go. So we have the bot here. I'm having the conversation. Hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, can you tell me about your services? Oh, there we go. So as you see, we actually deployed the bot. First, we deployed a manual bot without any AI, the backend, which was just used to capture conversations. And now we actually have an AI powered bot. Let's ask some more questions here. Can I book some time? Strategy session with our experts here. Let's try and click on this and it takes me to that website. Beautiful. So we have a really good bot here, which can be used to capture customer information, have conversations, customer can know more about the product, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's about it. That's a simple way through which you can deploy a AI powered chatbot on your website. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I will put all the links in the description for FermiAI and some other resources that might be really helpful for you. But yeah, that's it. We are living in the age of AI powered bots, and I hope everyone is able to leverage them to make their business much more efficient and productive. That's it. Thank you. Bye.